All right, so we're going to unbox the AT&T tower, and here it is. Bam, done. You're going to get this thing here. It's going to give you your network name and your password, and then basically this is just the tower here, and you'll notice that's all you get. You get the tower and you get the power cord. So you don't get your DSL, you don't get any Ethernet, you don't get any of these cables. All you get is the power cord, which goes right here. And then you got a reset button, you got a phone line here. So if you got Uverse, they may send you more stuff. On the left-hand side, when you're looking at the front, you're going to find the network name and the password on it, right there. And so this one here is the ATT Uverse tower, and it comes with that. Here's your power cord, and you have to hook these together. So you'll see that on this side, you've got, this two-prong thing, and it's going to go like that. And then this right here, you're going to plug right into the bottom of this, and done like that. And then you got to put your DSL in there, unless you've got something else. If you're going to connect it to your computer, you're going to plug those in right there. If you've got a phone, you're going to plug it in right there. So phone plugs in here, Ethernet to computer or other devices, USB to external hard drives, and this is it's like the phone line thing, and that's your power. And that's that. So I'm going to set this over here. It also comes with some instructions. Basically it's telling you all of what these things are, it also comes with important information, and it comes with your, like a bill of lading, I guess. And that's it, really, right there, bam, done. And that is your AT&T tower. Now you just got to hook it together. This I'm going to be sending back because it wasn't working right. And so all this stuff here, it really doesn't mean anything. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.